Hello and welcome to Deluxe Beauty and Lifestyle. This is your girl Charlotte here. I'm here to review number 30. What's it called? Seashore Fruits. So this one has 4 eyeshadows in a palette. I'll bring it up to you guys a little bit closer so you could see it. And it comes with 2 little brushes inside here, so you guys could use it and sort of like wash it off when you're done. So the first the top portions, the blue is obviously missing because it's now sort of like a little bit of what do you call, like gray, so it's like empty up top here. The next one is a nice beautiful pink. I'll bring it up for you guys in a second. And the bottom half of it is a nice green, and the other one is purple here. Let me bring it up for you guys. So here guys, this is sort of like a little bit of close-up. Here's the brush here, and what's it called, seashore fruit frost. So yeah, seashore frost. And obviously guys, I've been using it, so I'm not gonna clean it up because I'm coming on YouTube. I want you guys to see real life I'm using these products, and I don't know how many I've used before, but what I can tell you, that the blue that was there up top here is gone. You know why? Because I'm using it. I've used the complete palette before and I've repurchased it again, but as I said, I'm using it, so it may look a little bit dirty, but you guys, this is as real as it gets. Let me see if I could I'm gonna flip it open so you guys can have a better look on it. So here it's empty. This one is like a nice, real beautiful pink. I don't know why this pink here is not coming up. It's a nice little pink, sort of like a purplish color going on here, and this is obviously green, and that one is blue. I tell you guys, the video is not doing the products any good, but I just wanted to like come on here so you can see the nice little pink situation going on here. I don't know why it's not showing, guys, I'm sorry, but I'll just flip it on the back side so you guys can see what's going on. Yes guys, so again, I don't have steady hands, and it's obvious that this camera is not trying to focus tonight here, but I'm determined to bring these videos out for you guys any means possible. So here you guys could screenshot or pause the video so you can see what this the seashore frost is all about. Focus guy, focus. Yes, so you see all the beautiful ingredients that's on here and how it makes, I'll tell you guys, when I wear this, it pairs perfectly with whatever I'm wearing. I don't have like a messy result when it comes here, and it really comes out beautifully. As I said, this video is not trying to focus tonight, so it's not giving you the real vivid color of how delicious and how beautiful these products are, guys. You see, I'm trying to catch it from different angles, so see the top sort of look a little pinkish, but actually it's sort of like a nice pink with a little bit of purple, but I tell you, it's nice. You can obviously see that green when you put it on. It's really nice, guys, and you can definitely tell when the blue here, it's radiant, it's ravishing. I tell you, it's really nice, guys. Go check it out. I definitely like the product. I definitely recommend it. I'm not saying all these colors are going to be suitable for you, but while you're there in the store, you can definitely tell. Maybe check the samples, what may work for you, but what may not. But for me, I definitely like it. I chose based on my color. And I tell you, if you purchase one of these and it doesn't work for you, I'm sure you've got a girlfriend or cousin or someone that you can pass this product on to, and you know, use it. But for me, I definitely pick one that I like, and this one will, you know, definitely work for me. So guys, go check it out. Let us know what your thoughts are on this product here. As I said, this camera tonight is not really working with me. It's working against me, and it's really irritating because I'm trying to record this video for you guys. But in any event, I pushed through, and I hope you guys are proud of the footage that you're getting here. And I tell you, just go check it out, screenshot it. As I said, this product, it's Seashore Frost, and it's number 30. Go check it out, guys, and let me know what you think about this product here. And just comment down below, let us know what your thoughts are, and you know, let's help each other in the comment section as well. And I do reply to each and every comment that's under our videos. And let us know if you purchase it, what you like about it, what you don't like about it. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Take care, guys. Bye for now.